and this is her Tiffin. Hi.
And now we can use our #1.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and wishing you all a very happy new year. I know it's been really long since I've uploaded vlogs. The last one uploaded was in the month of October or November, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's been a very long time, and the reason is that my camera was not in a working condition and I got it repaired recently. And also, if you've seen my last vlog, my Samsung phone, that where I have told you that it fell in the water, so this portion isn't working anymore, so I can't this and this both actually is not working. And so Samsung, I used to love Samsung phone, but after this phone I don't think I'm gonna go for Samsung phone. It's like the worst phone ever. It's not even been a year and I've had so much issues with this phone. First thing is the battery. It just heats up like crazy. Like if I hold the phone and I go it out and try to click pictures, and if it's really hot outside, like if it's like 36-37 degrees, I'm shooting a video or my camera is on, it just shuts saying that temperature too high and I can't take any pictures. So that's the first issue of this. Now that my camera, it is a waterproof phone and it just not doing the justice. So I'm an Android fan, so I'm looking for a good brand where I can shoot good quality pictures and videos. So if you guys have any idea, or you using any Android phone where the quality of the picture and video is amazing, do let me know in the comments. It'll be very helpful. So yeah, thank you in advance, and let's stop blabbering and continue with the vlog. I always wanted a balcony full of plants, but this is like the Jugaad one. I got it customized. I told the carpenter I need shelves like this, and yeah, this is like the favorite place in my room. I absolutely love it. It just brings so much peace. So I wake up in the morning and I prepare tiffin for both my kids. While my son finishes his tiffin, I bring my daughter, and this is her tiffin. She just had one roti, so I'm going to heat this up and feed her now. So this is wheat and ragi chapati. I mix a little bit of ragi in this, and I grated some cheese inside. Today I just wanted to pamper my hair, so I'm just boiling up some curry leaves with coconut oil. So for the base of that oil, I use the onion hair oil from Mother's Splash, and I put a handful of curry patta, and I just give a nice boil, as you could see. And then I'm also going to add about a little half teaspoon of castor oil, and I'm gonna give a nice mix. I love applying warm hair oil on my hair and scalp. It makes my hair really soft after the wash. I usually start with the scalp as the oil is really warm, and then back of the neck I just flip my hair in the front and apply the hair oil at the back, and then it was my daughter's turn.
With the #1 on it. Let's start by ringing the doorbell.
Say hi.
And now we can use our #1.
So my son has to go to school and I'm preparing his tiffin. I'm making paneer chilli sandwich with cheese, and he really enjoys a sandwich more than chapati sabji in his tiffin. So I'm here applying the sabji, paneer and shimla that I stir fried with oregano and a little bit of salt and pepper, and I've also applied a little bit of cheese spread and pasta sauce at the base of the bread, and it's really simple yet healthy. I'm gonna just toast a bit. Nirvika is back from school and she's fast asleep. You can see her leg on this bed, and I thought I'll utilize this time working out a bit. Got two avocados, and these are so damn expensive. I really don't know what to make, and I googled some recipe for kids, and avocado toast came in, which I think I'm gonna try. He's been asking for avocado, I don't know, since ages, so let's just see how this one goes. I am also planning to make some snacks for the evening. I have ginger garlic paste here, and I have sliced onions with a sliced finely cut spinach, and I'm gonna make pakoda of it. And for my husband, I have marinated chicken with ginger garlic paste, and I'm gonna make pakoda of this as well. So it's gonna be a very oily, unhealthy evening for us, but yeah, once in a while it's fine. My son wanted to do cycling in a very big ground, so my husband drove to this place very close to Ulve station, and it's a very beautiful, spacious, not a ground, but like, yeah, it's not developed, as you can see, and it's very nice for cycling. And we even bought chairs to sit while the kids mind their own business, and we get some peace of mind. Even bought some snacks like chocos to feed the kids at intervals. And yeah, it's a beautiful place to and relax and watch the sunset.